Yesterday I did a short video about CDs and investments here in Ecuador. I screwed up. I showed a little bit too much information that didn't really need to be shown to the world. So I removed the video from YouTube and I've redone it, and here it is. Hey! Roger! Roger! Hello there. So yesterday I was talking about purchasing CDs here in Ecuador. Yes, you heard it right. You can get 8.5% interest income on your CDs here in Ecuador. When I heard it before I came here, I didn't believe anybody. But when I came here, the first thing I did, the very first week I was here, a gentleman posted a self-promotion on Mark Badbury's Facebook page, friends and amigos from Manta and Manabi, offering his services as a banker at JEP Cooperative. So I contacted him and made an appointment to go see him and talk about buying some CDs. I told him I wanted to see about the, sorry I was looking, there's a jet going by. I told him I wanted to, we don't have very many jets going by here. And it's a big one too, but anyway, back on the CDs. I told him I wanted to invest in CDs and to take advantage of the return that I keep hearing about, and he gave me a time to come and see him. So I went to go see him, and of course I got lost on the way because I was on foot. All I had to go by was a map, and I didn't even know where I was at. I knew where the mall was, and I knew that this place was somewhere close to the mall, but anyway, I got lost, and I texted him on WhatsApp. This is my banker. I texted him on WhatsApp and told him I was lost, and he said, send me some pictures of where you are. And so I did that, and he said he's on his way. And about 5 minutes later, here comes this really sharp-looking businessman down the street with a suit on, and this is in May, it's still pretty warm, coming to escort me back to his bank. And you'll never see that done in the United States, I don't believe. But anyway, beside the point, I went and sat down with him, and he explained the program to me. And yes, you do get 8.5%. There's different percentage ranges for the different terms that you purchase the CD for. I purchased mine for 1 year, and I bought 2 CDs, and I get paid monthly from these CDs. Now I'm going to show you here. What you're looking at here is the actual copy of my certificate of deposit, and I removed some of the personal information, but you actually get a handwriting certificate of deposit, and it states out the terms of the deposit and tells you how long it's good for and what you're going to get paid. So, and then on top of that, he gave me an amortization schedule that showed me how much I was going to get paid each month and when. And here it is 6 months later, and I'm still getting paid on my CDs. Now, there's a couple things that I need to be clear about. Okay, number one, I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial expert on investing in Ecuador. I can only tell you what I've done. Okay, I purchased 2 CDs from JEP Cooperative. I did that under the understanding that I was going to have the FDIC version insurance, like it's not FDIC here, it's Codica or Codica. I'll put it in the description. It's a different name, and I thought that my whole investment was going to be covered by this insurance. Well, I found out later that it's not. The federal version, Ecuadorian federal version of insurance, deposit insurance, only covers you for $32,000 per institution. So if you have $32,000 worth of CDs at JEP Cooperative, the government's going to guarantee or going to protect, insure $32,000 of it. If you do 2 CDs, only one of them is going to be covered, all right, based on the amount. So it's my advice that if you have more than $32,000 that you want to put into a CD, you put one CD at JEP, you put the second CD at their parent company, Banco Pichincha, and then the other credible bank that I'm pretty sure is a credible bank is Banco Guayaquil. I think all three of these banks are very solid banks, lots of money, good track record, very safe. I feel comfortable with either one of them. So back to the math part of this, if you put a $32,000, if you buy a $32,000 CD for 1 year at 8.5%, I did a little math here to show you, it would pay you $2,720 per year. Okay, now and when you go and make your deposit at JEP, like I did, they give you credit for that interest right up front. But they don't let you have it, and it's distributed to you on a monthly basis. So you see it in your account, you always know how much you have, and then you, at the same time when you buy your CD, you open up a savings account there at JEP, which you can use the JEP Visa debit card for, and like I do, you get paid monthly. So that would be, so you know, one $32,000 CD will pay you $27.20 a year. That's $226.67 a month, which goes a long ways here, folks. And if you had two of those CDs, one in one bank and one in another one, that would pay you $453.34 a month. Now, myself, do I pay taxes on this? I won't have to pay U.S. income tax on it because there is a $10,000 cap. You have to earn more than $10,000 on your investment returns before you're taxed on it in the U.S. I won't have to pay Ecuadorian tax on it because I'm over 65. Now, you might want to do some checking and, you know, and see if that's accurate. I'm kind of going by hearsay on that, so please don't write that down and take it to the bank, so to speak. In the description, I'm going to have the contact information for my banker, Javier Bermudez. He's an excellent gentleman. He's a great person. He knows his business, and he's dedicated to his job, and he's dedicated to helping you. But he can answer all these questions for you. You can reach him on WhatsApp. I'll put that in the description. And you can also email him. I'll put his email address in the description. So that's it, folks. That's what I did. I'm very happy with my investment. I'd locked mine up for 1 year. I actually bought two CDs. Now one of them, at the end of the year, I'm going to pull one out and take it to another bank just so I can get the deposit insurance coverage on it that I need to make me feel comfortable. Give me that warm and fuzzy feeling. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, or you can leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to answer them. So I hope that's clear. And I apologize for having to remove the video yesterday because I posted it on Facebook, and I know a lot of people were interested in seeing it. So to summarize, yes, you can buy CDs here. Yes, you can get 8.5% on a 1 year CD. You can also make a tremendous amount on savings accounts as well too. So give Javier a call or write to him, and good luck to you. Okay? Ciao.